Hello guys, this is Usman here again. Welcome to another video of IKMC exam solutions. In this video, I will be solving some more questions from the Pre-Ecolier group, which is for the grade 1 and 2. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we are starting from question number 13, and the question says, 4 strips are woven into a pattern as shown. What do you see when you look at it from the other side? Okay guys, so I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So you have to keep two things in mind when solving this question. The first thing is that something on the left or on the right, like this is on the right, it will go to the left when looking from behind, and the left will go on the right. Okay? So here, this red strip is on the left, but when you look at it from behind, it will go over here, and this strip will go over here. Okay, this is the first thing. The left thing will go on the right and the right on the left. The second thing, this red strip is above this gray strip, right? So when you look at it from behind, the gray strip will be above the red strip. Okay, so it would invert their position. So now that's done, let's start solving the question. So this red strip is above this gray strip. So when you look at from behind, this red strip will be at the bottom of the gray strip and on the left side. The same with this. This gray strip is underneath the red strip. So the red strip will be at the bottom as it is now on the top. Okay. And you're looking at the red strip, this red strip. Okay. So this rank is done. Now let's move on to the right, which is actually the left, this one. Okay. So the red one, this red strip is below this gray strip. So when you look at from behind, the red strip will be above the gray strip. So we're going to write A for above. And this red strip is above the gray strip. So when you look at from behind, it will be behind the gray strip. So a B. Now we got our pattern. Let's start matching it with our options. Okay. So we have at the right above and behind. So the red strip is above and the red strip is behind. So it's correct. The red strip is above and the red strip is behind. So it's correct. And the red strip is above the gray strip and behind the gray strip. Okay. This red strip is above the gray strip and it is also behind the gray strip. The red strip is not above the gray strip. It is actually behind. So D is not the answer. Option E, the red strip is not above the gray strip. So E cannot be the answer. Now the first rank is done. Let's look at the second one. So we have behind and behind. The red strip is behind the gray strip. So the red strip is behind the gray strip and the red strip is above the gray strip over here. So A is not the answer. The red strip is behind the gray strip and the red strip is behind the gray strip. So B could be a possibility of our answer. The red is above the gray strip and red is above the gray strip. So C cannot be the answer. So our only option left is B, which is our answer. Now we're going on to question number 14. Question number 14. Each of the shapes shown is made by gluing together 4 cubes of the same size. The shapes are to be painted. Which shape has the smallest area to be painted? Okay guys, so I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So at option A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And this will be also at the opposite side. So 8 times 2, 16. And these two over here. So plus 2, which is 18. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be also at the back, so times 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so we have 16 at option B. Option C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be at the bottom, so 4 times 2, 8. We have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we have 18 at C. At D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. At E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be at the back, 4 times 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. At E, we have 18. So, which shape has the smallest area to be printed? That is option B, 16. Now we're going to question number 15. Okay, so question number 15, the question says, a floor is covered with identical rectangular tiles as shown. The shorter side the shorter side of each tile is 1 meter. What is the length of the side with the question mark? So I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So this is 1 meter, okay? And if you look over here, we have this rectangle, and we have to look at this side specifically, which I will color red. Okay, so we remember that this one, right? This 1 meter, 2, 3, and 4. So the rectangle has the dimensions of 1 by 4 meters. Okay, so what is the length of the question mark? We have 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, and 1. If we add them, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12 meters. This is option E. Now we're going to solve question number 16. And the question says, a train from Kang station to Arrow station leaves at 6 in the morning and crosses by other 3 stations on the way without stopping. The numbers show the journey times between 2 stations in hours. The train arrives at Arrow station at 11 at night on the same day. What is the journey time between Arrow station and the previous one? So I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So the time over here is 6 in the morning, right? 6 a.m. If we add 2 hours to it, we will get 8 a.m. plus 3, 11 a.m. and plus 7 hours, we will get 6 p.m. Right? And the train arrives at Arrow station 11 at the night, which is 11 p.m. on the same day. So at Arrow we have 11 p.m. What is the time from here to here? That is 11 minus 6, which is 5 hours. The time taken between every station, and the previous one is 5 hours, which is option D. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you understood the few questions that I explained. Bye.